All right, guys. Well, today we're going to look at fractions on a number line, which is a little bit different. Equivalent fractions on a number line, I should say. And so make sure you listen to the video there, a little instructional video on fractions on a number line. So a number line just goes across like this, and it has little marks on it. The thing we've got to look at is that, yes, this is 1/2, but this number line has different marks on it. And so we want to know what each one of those marks represent, what fraction each mark represents. And so we have to count all the way across. We start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each one of these marks represents 1 out of 10, or 1/10. So 1, 2, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. 5/10. So do we need to look down here and find 5/10? There it is. And we've got the first one done. I'm going to show you the second one now. So I see 1/4, I see 6/12, but I got a whole bunch of things that are missing right here. So I'm going to count and see how many total pieces there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is divided into 12ths. So this shows 6/12, and this shows 1/4. I have to find an equivalent fraction to 1/4. Well, let's look at the 12ths. 1, 2, 3/12. Can I find 3/12 down there? There it is. So I'm going to put 3/12 right there. That's equivalent to 1/4. Now 6/12. What would be equivalent to 6/12? Do you know? Isn't this halfway across the number line? It's 1/2, right? 6 is half of 12. So that is 1/2. Do I have a 1/2? I don't even see a 1/2 down there. Oh my goodness. But look at the blue lines. How many blue lines do we have? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So the blue lines are split into fourths. So here's 1/4. What would this be? 2/4. There we go. 2/4. If this is 1/4, 2/4, what's this going to be? That's going to be 3/4. So fourths are on the top, 12ths are on the bottom. 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, 6/12, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12. There it is. All right, so 3/4 and 9/12, they're equivalent. 6/12 and 2/4 are equivalent. 1/4 and 3/12 are equivalent. I'll let you do these two on your own, but make sure you look. The top is 1/4, 2/4. It's fourths. The bottom is eighths. On this one, the green line shows fifths. The bottom, every line shows tenths. So that should help you with that. On your second slide today, you're doing the same thing. So we're seeing this 1/2 is equal to something else, isn't it? We have to count and see what these other numbers mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are all 6. So we're going to split this number line into 6. So let's see how many 6 is equal to 1/2. 1, 2, 3 6 is equal to 1/2. Okay. So what do I multiply by 1/2 by to get 3 6? What did I split it into? Well, 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. Got it? That's a little tricky, isn't it? Okay. Let's look at one more. Here's 1/4. All right. But I've got it split into something else too. So let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's also eighths. We've got the fourth on the bottom. We can put the eighths on the top. So here's 1/8, 2/8. Okay. So 1/4 would be equal to 2/8. All right. And 1/4 times what? That's doubled it, isn't it? So 1/4 times, 2 on top and bottom equals 2/8. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. I'll let you figure that one out on your own. You've got another one like it right here. Just count the bottom numbers. These are fourths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is going to be 9/12. Okay, now this last slide is a bonus. I'm going to give you one extra bonus point for each one of these you can get right. They don't count against you. Here's the reason I'm going to do that, because it's hard. Use the purple smiley face to show 2/3. Okay, 1/3, 2/3, third. No, it's not split into thirds. It's split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to know how many sixths 2/3 is equal to. All right, this one doesn't count because I'm going to show you the answer, so you can't get a bonus point for this. So you might want to write on a piece of paper, 2/3 equals blank over 6. How many 6? Well, 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 would be what? 4. So use the purple smiley face to show 2/3. So it's going to be 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just drag the smiley face where 2/3 would be, which is the equivalent to 4/6. So it's not marked off in fourths, obviously. You have to count how many it's marked off into and find the equivalent fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is marked into eighths. So 1/4 is how many eighths? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3/4 is how many twelfths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1/5 is how many tenths? That's how you do this. Make sure you put the correct color smiley face that it tells you to put there, okay? So you have a chance to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. If you get all the other pages right and get these 7 right, you'll make 107 today. All right, give it your best shot. It's a little difficult. Take your time, but you'll figure it out. We'll help you in the Google Meet if you need help. See you later.